Start this video, I just want to let you know that if you do not have an email address, you cannot start your Shopify store. But if you do have your email address, you can go ahead and use that. But I would recommend use an email that is going to be for your business. Do not use your personal email because you are going to be receiving notifications and you're also going to be receiving payments. I suggest you to create a new email account and then you can use that for your business. The first step you're going to do is you're going to go to Google. I already have it opened up on my screen. On Google, you're going to type Shopify free trial. Once you type Shopify free trial, you're going to click on the first one, and then your screen is going to look like this. Once your screen looks like this, you're going to go ahead and enter your email address, the one you created or the one that you already have. Once you enter your email, you're going to click start a free trial. And just a reminder, you're going to have 14 days to try. Okay, you're going to have 14 days to try the software. And if you don't like it, you can go ahead and cancel. You're not going to pay anything. The only time you're going to pay for something is after your 14 days. So just click free trial and start your free 14-day free trial of Shopify. You're going to put your email address. You're going to create a password. Okay, you're going to create a password. Once you create your password, you're going to go ahead and enter the name of your store. For now, I don't know what we want to name this store, so I'm just going to put clothing. I'm just going to put whatever name for now. So then Shopify is going to look at it and see if the name is available. So if the name is already available, just go ahead and choose a different name and then you go from there. So for this, I'm just going to go ahead and put clothing. I'll just put like a certain number, and then Shopify don't already have it. Then I'm just going to click create your store. And our store is being created. You're going to answer these questions. It's optional. You can go ahead and answer the questions, or you can just go ahead and skip it. For this video, we're just going to go ahead and skip it. Step 2, you're going to go ahead and, step 2, you're going to go ahead and add an address so you can start getting paid. You're going to enter you're going to enter your first name, last name. In this case, I'm just creating a new store for someone. I just put the first name, and then the last name I just put clothing, and then the address I kind of just made up the address. I made up the address and I made up the apartment number, so you don't have to put your real information on your website. But just because I'm showing you on how to set up the account, that's why I'm using this information. And then the phone number, I also made up the phone number, and then you have to enter your country, region, state, and then the zip code. You can check down here you do not need to check the box if your business is not registered with the state. So just go ahead and leave it blank, because this area right here is for the people who have business license, and you do not need a business license to sell on Shopify. After you fill out the whole information, you're going to go ahead and click enter my store. Once you click enter my store, your store is supposed to be looking like this. You're going to have home on the side, you're going to have orders, you're going to have products, you're going to have customers, you're going to have analytics, you're going to have marketing, you're going to have discounts, and you're going to have apps. And then here is online store, and this is how your store is going to look like. I'm going to go ahead and click on the eye so you can see how this store looks like right now. So just clicking at the little eye, our store right now looks like this online. So anybody can go and anybody can go and type in clothing2356.myshopify.com. Is going to be looking like this. So going back to your store, this is how your store is supposed to look like, and then you are off to a great start. Up here is going to tell you your trial just started. Then you have a selective plan. You're going to click on selective plan. Whenever you're ready or whenever your free trial is finished, you can just go ahead and choose a plan, but I would recommend just choose the $29 a month because you don't know how it's going to go well for you. So don't choose the other ones, just choose the $29.99 a month. Okay, so you're in your store is not customized, it's not set up yet. The only thing is you just set up a Shopify store. That's it. You set up your Shopify store. You have home, you have orders. When you get your orders, you're going to receive all your orders here. These are draft, these are abandoned orders. We're going to talk about this later. These are products. Any product that you put inside of your store is going to be right here. You're going to have inventory. In this case, if you are drop shipping, you do not need to have an inventory. But if you do have the items at your house, you can go ahead and just put your inventory here. Transfers, if you want to transfer something. Okay, and then you have transfers. Then you have collections. You have gift cards. You have customers. And then you have analytics. That's your overview dashboard, your total sales, online store sessions is going to tell you how your the online store section is going to tell you how your online store is going and how it's doing. And then you have the returning customers rate. Then you have the online store conversation rate. Then you have the average value. Then you have the total orders that you're going to be, then you have the total order that you're going to be having on your website. Then you have the top product by units sold. Then you have all this information. Is pretty much just the overview of your dashboard. Then you're going to go to reports. Everything that you have done on your website is going to be on here. And you have your live view. You can see who is visiting your stores right now. You can see the total sessions, you can see the page views, you can see the customer's behavior, you can see your total sales and also your total orders. Then you have marketing. Marketing is a place where you market your business, and sometimes you have to pay and sometimes it's free. And also you are going to be able to see the people who purchased your item. So you have the abandoned checkout emails by Shopify. Then you have marketing apps. You have, and the great thing about Shopify, guys, they have videos. Like they will teach you how to use the software. They will teach you how to use it. They will teach you what to do. So if you really go down to their videos, it's really helpful and you can learn a lot from them. So that's how I was able to learn, and I hope you guys go and check out their videos because they're really good. And then they have campaigns. If you don't know how to create a campaign, I will show you how to create one. And they have the automations. This is how to see how your marketing can grow and how marketing to grow, how you can grow your business. This is where you can automate marketing to grow your business. Then you have the discounts. You can go ahead and create a discount for your customers. And you have a place where you're going to have a bunch of different apps. For now, we have no apps because I'm just trying to give you an overview of what the software comes with. So here is where you're going to have all your apps. And then right here is the sales channel. Then right here is your online store, and this little eye right here is where you see your store, just like I showed you at the beginning of the video. Okay guys, that's it for today. Today I just showed you how to create your Shopify store. I do not want to put too much on your head. So watch this video. If you didn't understand, rewatch it again and learn it. I will have different parts of how to create your store, but this is just the first step. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I hope some of you guys can start your online store today. Go ahead and leave any comments and any questions. I'll try to help you guys. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye bye.